Why does Billy look like a balloon?
Because there is a baby inside me.
Baby? Is it a parrot baby? Am I going to be a father?
No, it's your brother.
Hey, stop crying! I'm trying to enjoy my meal in peace. If you don't stop, I will take you to the market and trade you for more seeds. Your mom won't even notice.
Honey, did you eat the lunch I packed you?
Yeah, Mom. I ate it.
That's your mom?
Yeah.
You're 40 and she's checking if you ate? Does she tuck you in at night, too?
Look, Cat. If I got 15 seeds and I ate 5 seeds, what is left? Calculate. Meow. Meow is not a number, it is math. You are stupid. I go home now. I need my beauty sleep.
No, Parrot. We need to keep you up and monitor your performance all night long.
All night long? Damn, I hope you have energy, baby. I am a machine in the sack. Ha!
Oh my God!
Hello, beautiful nurse.
Oh. Well, hello there. Let's check you
Can
out.
I get your number?
Dinner tonight, you and me?
Sir, can you open the door? We need to talk to you.
How many of you are there?
There's 2 of us, sir.
Then talk to yourselves.
What are you doing? Why are you packing?
I am quitting. I am leaving this channel.
Why? What happened?
They didn't follow. I give them comedy, flirting, crying, and they give me nothing. If they don't follow now, I am gone forever.
Is that a parrot shopping?
Hello. Nice weather for shopping today.
Oh my God.
Grandma, I know your secret. I saw you talking to the neighbor. Too much smiling. Too much talking. I will tell Grandpa. I am watching everything.
Oh my! Oh, oh, you rascal!
Officer, I must tell you something from my heart.
Yes, go on.
I think we should get married. I am loyal and I share my snacks.
Stop!
That's the best proposal I've ever heard. 1, 2, 3,
Strong rep. Keep it up.
and a half.
You kidding me? Oh, man.
Oh, call 911. Call the FBI. There's a dangerous killer right next to me.
Oh, come on. Don't be dramatic.
Dramatic. This psycho is looking at me like I am his dinner. He's patting me like he's checking the seasoning. Call the police immediately. I love you.
I love you too, little buddy.
Nurse, how old are you?
I am 32.
32 and still single?
Oh my God!
Mommy, this boy is hitting me.
I see you, buddy.
Mommy, help!
Okay. Hang on, sweetie.
Where are the crackers? I don't see any crackers here. This mall doesn't have crackers?
I know, buddy.
This is the worst day ever.
We'll find you crackers somewhere else, I promise.
How old are you?
I am 35.
You are expired. Rules are rules, officer.
All right, buddy. You cooperate. We all get to go home happy. How about a little demonstration? Let's hear what you've got.
Morning light through the bars, did I rise, did I fly? Sky so wide, carry me to the blue beyond the line.
No way.
You gotta be kidding me.
Oh no, this baby kidnapped me. Someone call the parrot police.
Oh my gosh.
Not even the zoo treated me like this.
Oh my goodness, sweet.
Mommy, why your stomach so big?
Because there is a baby inside me.
A baby? Am I a big brother? You have a nice smile.
Thank you. That's very sweet.
What's your name?
I'm Dr. Sarah.
Can I get your Instagram?
Oh my. You're quite the charmer, aren't you?
What are you doing? You've been on that couch all day. You have so much potential. Don't waste it. Get up. Go chase your dreams. Be great.
Oh my, okay, coach. This is ridiculous.
So, Mr. Parrot, where were you last night at 9 p.m.?
In your mama's kitchen stealing fries.
Order, order.
Yeah, I'll take fries and a drink and some respect.
Yes, I completely agree with the quarterly projections.
She's wearing pajama pants, by the way.
Sorry, just some background noise. As I was saying,
she hasn't showered yet today.
He's joking.
Oh, and she's been eating crackers in bed like a raccoon.
Oh my! I'm so sorry. I need to. Sorry.
What did you do, big dog? Are you crazy? You broke the TV? You are big? You understand you are not a baby, and you don't laugh. You destroyed it, I know it. Everyday drama, everyday disaster.
What happened here?
Papa,
Yes,
why are you fat?
because I eat too much. Oh.
A baby inside. Would you take more than that? It's my baby.
That's my baby.
No,
What?
my baby.
Hey, watch those corners.
Yes, boss.
Smooth strokes. Smooth.
Like this?
No drips. I see drips.
Got it, got it.
We're professionals here.
My supervisor's a parrot.
Can I go home now? I need my beauty sleep.
No, buddy, we need to stay up and monitor your performance all night long.
All night long? Damn, I hope you have energy, baby. I have a machine in the sack. Ha!
What are you two doing?
Mama, I am sleeping with my sweetheart. That's my baby.
He is not your baby. I gave birth to him, okay?
Sir, would you like to have some peanuts?
I love peanuts. Give me one bag.
That will be $5.
$5? What is this airline? I thought I was in America.
Company policies.
I have wings. I can fly outside for free.
Help! Call 911. Call the FBI. There's a dangerous killer right next to me.
Oh, come on, don't be dramatic.
Dramatic? This psycho is looking at me like I'm his dinner. He's patting me like he's checking the seasoning. Call the police immediately.
Soft rhythmic padding continues.
1, 3, 3.5.
If you sing me a song, I'll let you go.